Anything you can do, I can do better. Sooner or later, I'm better than you. Even when I'm sick, I'm better than you. I'm really good at being sick. I just thought you should know that I'm better at it than you. If you want to compare something, instead of what holiday you're on, and yeah, that holiday you're on is ridiculous. I don't need to know about it. Also, my husband reminded me that in sickness and in health, they didn't mention holidays. I mean, I'm assuming these people aren't sick. Are they the ones spreading it? I don't know. So that's what's going on, maybe. Stop killing me. But seriously, stop killing me with your, boasting. Stop boasting. Why don't you come tell me about your holiday while you wipe snot off my face?